Good morning. Now, chasing trades is something that we all do, but the better we become as traders, the more that we can recognize that the market is taking on us and the more that we can fight that urge to trade. Now, it's early morning here in London. It's getting a little bit crisper now, but we are just going to go on a walk together and discuss this while it's nice and quiet. So in order to stop chasing trades, you need to do two things. The first of those things is to recognize when you're getting into that mode where you feel like you need to chase. So that comes from the fact that you see the trade late, right? The market is showing you that the trade's on and that's too late. So you've got to be able to understand the difference of actually having an idea in advance versus forming an idea while it's happening. When you're forming an idea while it's happening and it's already playing out, then you're chasing, right? Because the market's shown you the idea and it's kind of by showing you, you've already lost your edge. So that first part there that I just discussed is like the band-aid on the wound. The second part, which is really the cure, is about forming scenarios and trying to think of things in advance. So to do this, it really requires experience. So this is why trading can't be learned in a day. You need to sit there and watch the market and see ways it plays out. So what you're going to do is you're going to think of scenarios. You look at the market and you go, okay, well, where is it and what's possible? And in general, I think there are usually about 2 to 6 scenarios a day. The more scenarios there are, the harder the market will be to trade because, obviously the more things it can do. Ideally for you can narrow it down. And so then your goal for the session is just to try and work out which of your scenarios is most likely in play. Before I continue and go into a bit more detail on that, you should go and check out elitetraderworkshop.com. So Alex runs a free seminar there. It's a great way for you to learn a bit more about what Axia has to offer, but it also contains one trade by one of our elite traders, an amazing trade, which really shows you the power of understanding when one of your scenarios is in play. So let's assume you've got your scenarios, right? And you've got a couple, maybe 3 or 4 for the session. So what you want to do is you want to sit there at your desk and you're watching the market and you're going, okay, which one of these scenarios is most likely in play? Now, you could be confused for the whole session. You could be you could have no ideas. That's fine. As long as you recognize that's the case, then there isn't really any edge for you to trade. Now, if you can, you do get some clues from the market, almost think of yourself as a detective, and you can go, all right, this one is much more likely than the others. Well, then you've got a trade. Then you got to ask yourself, okay, all right, I now see an idea that's likely to play out. What do I need to see to enter? Okay, and once I enter, where's my stop? Where's my target? Now you've got a trade. And that's how you stop yourself from chasing the market. And if you miss it, the market starts going without you and you realize it because the market's shown you the confirmation, then you're likely chasing the trade again. Recognize, take a step back, generate scenarios again. That's how you stop chasing the market. That's how you get in early. All right, that's it for today, guys. See you later.